नमस्कार दोस्तों, लर्निंग विथ इग्नू इस कार्यक्रम में हम उन सब का स्वागत करते हैं जो हमारे साथ इस फेसबुक लाइव सेशन में जुड़े हुए हैं। मैं हूं वीपी रूपम, स्टूडेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन डिवीजन से, और मेरे साथ हैं डॉक्टर केडी प्रसाद, रीजनल सर्विसेज डिवीजन से।
जी नमस्कार
दोस्तों, टू कंटिन्यू टू प्रोवाइड देम सपोर्ट एंड व्हाट चेंजेस वी हैव मेड to accommodate these difficult situations in terms of assignment submission or in terms of examination.
Very true,
submission.
Doctor. And Dr. Rupam has just very rightly touched the nerve where we were really interested to come into. You have already taken admission into July 2019 and January 2020.
Even before. The earlier batches who were actually active students are and have to submit their assignments and attend counseling.
So what is happening with us is that entirely we depend a lot on the paramount dependence of us is on the study material, which has been so prepared that while learner is going through those material, it reflects to him that teacher is talking to him. At times, while going through the material, you find across the self-checking progress also, that how whether you have going through the material carefully or not, and then you have to self-check exercises are there, and then you have to. So what we are doing is that first we are trying our best to provide you the paramount dependence, that is the self-learning material to you, and we are sending it to your homes at your address which you are providing to us.
डॉक्टर प्रसाद, यहाँ पर मैं ये आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि इस समय अभी जबकि पोस्टल सेवाएं बंद हैं, तो हम कैसे उनको उनकी सामग्री उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं?
You know, this is the paramount I was saying, and then now since this is a different kind of scenario where we say lockdown or घरवास में जहाँ हम बैठे हैं, we have developed our e-content, mobile e-content which are there, and we have our own this is e-platform with us. So what we are doing is that any learner who has taken admission with us can go to Google Play Store and can download their e-IGNU material, and it is downloaded within more than a minute, just less than 2 minutes and more than a minute. You are downloading everything on your Android phone, and you can just go through the material through your fingers. That is the alternate we have made, that this is the way we have ensured that the material reaches to each and every students at their fingertips on their mobile. Say, sometimes if this is not there, what we are doing is that this material is already there on our website also. That is what we call it, our e-Gyan course. That is also there. You can just log into e-Gyan course, and whatever material you are really interested in, you can download and you can go through that. But these are all difficulties time we are providing you. That doesn't mean that we are not sending you the material, but due to some postal vagaries due to this lockdown, we are advising our learners that please depend on all those alternatives where we have just suggested. The moment we are getting the
would you like to show this?
We can show it, that this is the kind of e-content which you can download on through Google Play Store, and you will not believe that this is being used by majority of the learners in the absence of that material. I was just confirming that it doesn't mean that we are not going to send you the material. That is we will be sending it, and we are sending it. But due to some this difficult time when हम सब लोग घरवास में बैठे हैं और बाहर अपनी जान बचाना और अपने को बचा करके रखना इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसमें हमारा ये नजरिया आपके पास होगा. अब क्या होता है इसके बाद, what you do is that our regional centers with which you are attached with are trying their innovative ways to reach out to you, maybe through various online programs, various e-lecturing programs. And as on date, if I am updated today, that we are, as on date on 17th of May 2020, we are offering more than 250 online programs, online lectures, online counseling through the Facebook, through Zoom, and through various platforms. So we are concerned that how to take care of our learners in this difficulty time, because this is the time where ODL Institute is coming up in a big way, because we are ready for that. We are having our own material. We are having our own kind of setup with us. So that is what is, we find that we are at little advantageous position even at this lockdown situation, Doctor, that this is how we are providing the learner support services at this difficulty time to our learners. You also asked about how to submit the assignments and other kind of things.
यस, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट जो पुराने बैच के स्टूडेंट्स हैं हमारे, उनके मन में ये चिंता है कि अपने असाइनमेंट, अभी तो स्टडी सेंटर बंद है
जी,
तो कैसे अपने असाइनमेंट जमा करेंगे, ये चिंता है उनके मन में.
University is equally concerned, and university has taken a very timely decisions in taking a very different kind of decision, very at the right time, that we have allowed our learners that you may write your assignments, handwritten assignments, may be prepared by you, signed on every pages of your assignments, and you can scan those copies of your prepared assignments, and you can send it to the mail of your regional center. And our regional centers are well prepared, that what they are doing is that they are immediately downloading all such materials and all such assignments, and we are sending it to the trained evaluator for its evaluation. That is how we are trying to just fill the gaps, that our students should not suffer even for the minimum difficulties should not come to them. They are very much at home, and some students has reported to the university that these stationery materials are not with them. So we requested to the concerned ministry, and ministry has allowed that time that you can even this stationery software exempted from being open during that time, so that you can take these materials, this stationery, and you can write your assignments, handwritten assignments, signed on every pages, make a Google Drive for one assignments, send it to the regional centers website, email, and regional centers are there to take care of your assignments. I hope Dr. Rupam, is it this is the way we are trying to
हाँ,
reach
बिल्कुल
to.
आपने सही बताया. तो दोस्तों, अभी आपको डॉक्टर प्रसाद ने बताया कि अध्ययन सामग्री जिनके पास पहुंच गई है वो तो घर पर पढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत ऐसे हैं जिनके पास नहीं पहुंच पाई इस लॉकडाउन के कारण. उनके लिए हमारे पास एक विकल्प है. ई ज्ञान कोश पर सारी अध्ययन सामग्री हमारे डिजिटल फॉर्म में उपलब्ध है. आप इसको डाउनलोड करें, आप इसको अपने कंप्यूटर पर पढ़ें, लैपटॉप पर पढ़ें, या जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया इग्नू ई कंटेंट ऐप, इसको डाउनलोड करें और अपने मोबाइल पर पढ़ें. ये सारी व्यवस्थाएं हैं. दरअसल हम ये चाहते हैं, आप भी मानेंगे कि अभी जब सड़कों पर गाड़ियां नहीं चलने लगी तो हमारा पोल्यूशन यहाँ का बहुत कम हो गया, एनवायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन बहुत कम हो गया. तो आगे जो आने वाला समय है, हमें कुछ इस तरह के काम करने चाहिए कि इसको हम लगातार कम रखें. देखिए, जब हम पेपर यूज करते हैं तो असर पेड़ों पर पड़ता है. हम ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं विश्वविद्यालय स्तर पर कि हम डिजिटल मटेरियल को प्रमोट करें. तो डॉक्टर प्रसाद, यदि हमारे यहाँ कोई स्टूडेंट एडमिशन लेता है और ये कहता है कि मुझे छपी हुई किताबें नहीं चाहिए, देखिए, यदि आप किताबें छापते नहीं हैं तो उतना कार्बन फुटप्रिंट आप कम करते हैं.
डेफिनेटली सर, डेफिनेटली.
तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि अधिक से अधिक विद्यार्थी हमारे डिजिटल मटेरियल पढ़ें, और इसको एनकरेज करने के लिए हम प्रोग्राम फी में एक 15% का डिस्काउंट भी देते हैं. जो डिस्काउंट आपको एडमिशन के समय ही उपलब्ध हो जाता है. यदि 2000 रुपये आपकी फीस है और आप ये कहते हैं कि हमें छपी हुई किताबें नहीं चाहिए, हम डिजिटल मटेरियल से पढ़ना चाहते हैं, या हम कंफर्टेबल हैं इससे, तो वहीं पर 300 रुपये फीस कम ली जाती है आपसे, 1700 रुपये आपसे फीस ली जाती है. तो हम अपने उन विद्यार्थियों को जो कि ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, हम ये अनुरोध करेंगे कि यथासंभव, यदि संभव नहीं है तब तो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन यथासंभव आप ये प्रयास करें कि डिजिटल मटेरियल को ऑप्ट करें. ये डिस्काउंट देना एक तरह से एनकरेज करने की बात है
जी,
है ना जी. तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि आप डिजिटल मटेरियल से पढ़ने की आदत डालें, क्योंकि आने वाले समय में ऐसी चीजें हमें करनी ही पड़ेंगी.
जी.